Have you ever wondered what it truly means to be intelligent? And what some people of very high IQ do and live their life like? It is always common questions for almost every person who is educated. Now, imagine if a machine can answer questions, write stories, create art, and even solve complex scientific problems. Is it actually thinking? Or is it simply following patterns created by humans? Many scientists do have tried to give sign that AI is not like all the previous technological developments, who are predictable, due to which many have also left their job, like Mo Gaudat, Daniel Kokotajalo, and started doing shows and podcasts to tell how dangerous it is if it goes on wrong hand. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a piece of technology. It has become one of the biggest philosophical questions of our time. Because before asking what AI can do, we should ask something much deeper. What does it really mean to think? For centuries, humans believed intelligence belonged only to us. Our ability to reason, imagine, communicate, and solve problems made us unique. Then computers arrived. At first, they could only perform simple calculations. But this myth broke in 2023 when OpenAI launched AI on internet. Today, AI writes essays, generates realistic images, translates languages, discovers new medicines, and even helps programmers write software. And now, in 2026, we also have seen one of the largest layoffs after one Anthropic tool was launched. Suddenly, our old definition of intelligence no longer seems complete. But here's the important question. Does AI actually understand anything? When you ask an AI a question, it often gives an impressive answer. But does it truly know what those words mean? Or is it simply predicting the most likely next word based on billions of examples it has learned? Imagine a calculator solving a difficult equation. Nobody believes the calculator understands mathematics. It simply follows rules. Many philosophers argue that today's AI works in a similar way. It processes information extremely well, but processing information may not be the same as understanding it. This idea became famous through a thought experiment called the Chinese
Room, proposed by philosopher John Searle. Imagine you're locked inside a room. People outside pass written questions in Chinese through a small window. You don't understand Chinese at all. But inside the room is a giant instruction manual. For every symbol you receive, the manual tells you exactly which symbols to return. Your answers appear perfectly fluent. Everyone outside believes you understand Chinese. But in reality, you never understood a single word. Searle argued that computers may work in exactly this way. They manipulate symbols correctly without truly understanding their meaning. Whether he was right or wrong, his question continues to influence AI research today. Another important distinction is the difference between intelligence and consciousness. A chess program may defeat every human player, but it doesn't enjoy winning. It doesn't feel nervous before a match. It doesn't celebrate victory. Consciousness is the experience of being aware. Science still doesn't fully understand how consciousness emerges inside the human brain. Until we understand our own minds, creating conscious machines remains one of humanity's greatest mysteries. While some predict that it may enter the phase where it can take decision by theirself, even if AI becomes far more intelligent than humans, intelligence alone does not guarantee wisdom. History has shown that highly intelligent people have sometimes made terrible decisions. Knowledge tells us what can be done. Wisdom asks what should be done. Artificial intelligence can recommend actions, but humans must still decide whether those actions are ethical. That responsibility cannot simply be handed over to machines.
As AI becomes more powerful, another challenge appears. How do we make sure intelligent systems actually serve human values? Researchers call this the AI alignment problem. An incredibly intelligent system pursuing the wrong objective could unintentionally create enormous problems. Teaching AI what to optimize may become one of the most important scientific challenges of this century. Perhaps the greatest lesson of artificial intelligence isn't about machines at all. It's about ourselves. The more capable AI becomes, the more deeply we are forced to examine our own minds. What is intelligence? What is consciousness? What makes creativity truly human? What gives life meaning? In many ways, AI has become a mirror. It reflects our strengths, our weaknesses, and the questions we still cannot answer. The future of AI will not be shaped only by engineers. It will also be shaped by philosophers, psychologists, neuroscientists, educators, lawmakers, and ordinary people. Because technology is never only about machines. It is always about the people who build them and the values they choose to protect. This is things highly raised by today's AI safety scientist, that how we will be sure that it has been trained ethically, which remains a great concern of all of us. The future belongs not only to those who create intelligent machines, but also to those who continue asking intelligent questions.
And it's require collective effort, not that fragmented support. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to get more videos on artificial intelligence, psychology, cybersecurity, technology, and self-improvement.